Tech is confusing me. Something called Leah, a post-quantum blockchain for building applications fully on-chain. And I looked at that and I thought to myself,
I don't even know what that means.
Join the Leah community. Combine breakthrough application architecture with post-quantum security and verifiable on-chain user interfaces. Should we ask AI what the hell this is about? Come on, help me, ChatGPT. I need you to tell me what this is. Explain what this company does in a way that a 10-year-old could understand. Now, this is not a dig at this company, Leah, although I know some people who are called Leah who are complete bitches. Cool. Here we go. We've got two potential answers. Right. Which answer do we prefer? Okay. Looking at response 1. Leah is a new kind of computer network called a blockchain, which is like a super secure digital notebook that lots of people can use at the same time. People build their own special applications. Okay. They'll look at response 2. Digital world on the internet, super secure and flexible. A very smart computer playground where people can build their own games and apps that follow their own rules. The internet is a big playground. Blockchains are like playgrounds where everyone plays the same game with the same rules. Okay. Lots of teams can build their own games, and each game has its own rules, prizes, and ways to play. An even simpler one-sentence version. People can create their own unique apps and systems with their own rules, kind of like. Okay, I prefer this response, actually. Do I want a world response to make it even easier? I think so. Yes, please. Yes, please, Mama. Do I want to call it Mama? Let's see what happens. All right, kiddo, buckle up. Oh, I like it. I like it. A story version. Oh my days. I love this story version. Blimey. Right. A story version I can really picture. Okay, let's look at these pics, right? So we've got a bunch of kids trying to build some sort of thing. Oh, that's kind of cool. The digital world. D. Construction kids. So, okay, we're really leaning into this kind of building metaphor, aren't we, ChatGPT? But let's get rid of that a sec. Let's dive back into what this is. Okay, so once upon a time, there was a giant digital place called the Internet Playground. Most of the playgrounds were boring. One slide and one grumpy grown-up, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so imagine a company called Leah comes along and says, what if everyone could build their own playground instead? Leah builds the ground underneath the playground, not the swings, the unbreakable floor. That floor is called a blockchain. On top of Leah's floor, you can build their own mini playground. Did you know what? Let's explain it like I'm 5. Because I am quite stupid. Not that 5-year-olds are stupid. It's more about the simplicity. And we're all trying to get this simplicity. Okay, right. We've got a few things here. Okay. You and your friends love to build things with blocks. Sometimes other kids knock them over. Someone cheats. Or a big comes and says, this is mine now. Builds magic blocks. They don't fall over. No one can steal them. No one can change the rules. Everyone has to play nice. What do you do with the blocks? You can build a castle, a car game, a Dragon World, or something totally different. Why are they safe? Because Leah watches them like a nice robot babysitter. It remembers everything so no one can lie. Super strong blocks, so people can build fun things and nobody can break or steal them. Explain it to a VC with a very scary haircut. Let's do that. Oh, very scary haircut. What could that be? I mean, a terrifying favor, Patagonia vest and 3 minutes between meetings. Modular quantum-resistant blockchain infrastructure that lets teams launch sovereign application-specific chains, pods, without the usual complexity trade-offs of security debt. AWS-level flexibility for blockchains without AWS-level centralization risk. Okay, why do they say that in American voice? Was it American? Problem, okay. Shared change, congestion, rising fees, app chains, painful, okay, right, L2s, okay. Quantum resistant, post-quantum cryptography now, not eventually. Okay. substrate serious systems run on. Leah lets teams spin up secure sovereign blockchains as easy as launching cloud infrastructure. However, easy launching cloud infrastructure without sacrificing. Okay. Okay. Well, I feel like I've got the 411 in a way that is now relevant for me, and I'd like to thank ChatGPT for having some fun with it as well, because that helped clarify a few things for me. So, if you think that is a good, because I'm just relying on the fact that ChatGPT, I know what a blockchain is, but at the same time, so I know that bit makes sense because that's kind of how but in terms of what Leah, the company, does, if you feel that it's ChatGPT did a bad job, tell me in the comments, tell me, because I thought that was a good job, but at the same time, I'm still very perplexed, as in like, okay, what is it for? That's what I didn't get from it. I got what it was for, but I didn't really understand. It wasn't relevant to me. So maybe that's the missing context here. How is this relevant for me in my life? And I think maybe that's the question that ChatGPT can't answer until I tell it what I want from it. So leaving you with that thought, I'll say sayonara. Catch you soon.